Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to talk about how to produce results from paired sample t-test in Stata. So the goal of the paired sample t-test is to examine the effects of an intervention on a sample over time. That is the goal. There are other goals that's not a part of the discussion today, but mainly to examine the effects of an intervention on the same sample over time. So let's say that we are trying to improve the conditions of systolic blood pressure among adults of 200 adults, for example, in a community. They have presumably higher levels of systolic blood pressure, and we're trying to reduce the average systolic blood pressure from them, right? So, in order to do that, we conduct an educational awareness program that includes how to manage and control systolic blood pressure by changing lifestyles like increasing physical activity, reducing salt consumption, and managing the stress in a right and proper way. So that program actually intervenes into their lifestyle, and that goes on for about 2 months, for example. So then we collect the data of their average blood pressure, like of the blood pressure of the individuals participating in the intervention program at the start of the program, and also second time at the end of the program, so that we can compare their score, whether it is reducing or not, right? So that's exactly what is the purpose of paired sample t-test, because those people remain the same over time. We are just comparing two averages at time 1 and time 2, okay? At the end of the program, at the beginning of the program, whether these two averages are statistically significantly different, so that we can know in whether we have improved these conditions by the intervention program. So let me write the code test, and I have a variable BP systole before, that is the start of the program, and BP systole after the program, right? And doing the t-test. And now for these two means, 129, that is the before, and 124, that is after. So after the program was conducted, we can see that the average score of the participants has decreased, like 4.84. This is the difference, right? So the average systolic blood pressure has decreased by 4.84, almost 5. However, we do not yet know whether this difference is statistically significant or not, for which we look at probability value, which is the p-value, and you see the symbol, the absolute value symbol here. That means this is not a directional, or this is two-tailed test. And this p-value, which is less than 0.05, confirms that these two means are statistically significantly different. Okay, so that means we have reduced the amounts of reduction in average systolic blood pressure is statistically significant, and that's how we can confirm that our intervention program was successful. Everything becomes like held constant, right? So that's all about paired sample t-test. And as I said, the purpose and the use of this paired sample t-test is to know the effects of an intervention and to compare two groups, like compare two means on the same sample, okay, at two different times. The time 1 before the start of the program, time 2. I hope this you get this, and I hope this was helpful. If you really find my video helpful, please subscribe my channel and like, comment, and share. Thanks for watching again.